Welcome everyone. If you're trying to view the private tabs, but there's no private option here, or if you see the private option and it's grayed out, the solution is I want you to open up the settings, and inside of the settings, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see screen time. And in screen time, you're going to scroll until you see the content and privacy restrictions. And in here, I want you to locate content restrictions. And you're going to see under web content. Tap on the web content and set this one to unrestricted. And now the Safari browser may crash. There we go, it's going to crash. And immediately the private is available. On the very old software, head into general instead, and you can see restrictions. Tap on this one and enter in the restrictions passcode, and then just disable the restrictions right here. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.